Social media, a good thing or a bad thing? If it's a good thing for you, then it's good. If it's a bad thing for you, then how to avoid it? How to leave social media? In this video, we are going to see how to leave social media and their distractions or their manipulations. If you want to leave social media, then you should leave. It's hard to leave social media, especially nowadays. Now, social media days or digital revolution. Social media apps have their clever algorithms and they have much more powerful people and much more powerful artificial intelligence to manipulate you and distract you. But you have to beat their algorithms by tackle with them. Some of the advice you should follow to successfully leave social media are: turn off social media. Turn off all social media messages when you have to do something, then open it. It's best to off social media. Every time you may notice when you receive any notification, then you distracted to that message. And when you spend most time of your day in social media and you don't realize that you spend lots of hours in social media. Use social media blocking tools. There are many tools available in the market that will block your social media applications for how much time you need. These tools are very effective to have on your mobile or a desktop. Some of the tools are for a mobile or a laptop: mindful browsing, cold turkey, one focus, stay focused. For mobile, you have a forest, stay focused, your hour. Build good habits and avoid bad ones. Always build good habits and try to improve yourself. Always avoid bad habits that will destroy you from your heart and you don't realize. Even we make a video about the bad things, what are those bad things, and use good things as good habits, and you will start avoiding social media and you will distract from social media and you will transfer to the good habit and avoid social media. Read books. Reading books will motivate you to think from a different perspective. You can read books as you want, and I will suggest you some of the best books you can read. The first one is Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones. The second one is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And the third one is Rich Dad and Poor Dad, what rich teaches their kids about money that the poor and middle class don't do. Many habits, smaller habits but bigger results you can get by this. Elon Musk, a biography of billionaire entrepreneur. Steve Jobs, the exclusive biography. These are the some books you can read. It's up to the card, or these books links are in description, and you can go to their website and sub to card for later read. These are gems to read, especially the last two biographies of Elon Musk and Steve Jobs. They are gems. Use social media. Wait, what the hell? Use social media? Yes, social media in a great way, and you use it for enhancing your skills. Like for example, you want to learn something, then use the broken mirror habit and follow the top players where you interested. You can go to our channel and see what is broken mirror habit. Link in description or pinned comment. Then look what they are doing, observe how they are doing. These are many steps which you can use to avoid the social media and use it in a good way that you can use. Thanks for listening and watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel to see more of this video. If you have any suggestion, comment down below.